Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled in the rolling hills, there lived a lively baby goat named Gigi. Gigi was curious and adventurous, with a playful spirit that always led her to explore new places. Her sparkly eyes and expressive bleats made her a favorite among the villagers. Across the meandering lanes and cherry blossom trees, there lived 3 kids, Tommy, Lucy, and Ben. They spent their summer days playing in the sun-drenched meadows, chasing butterflies, and imagining grand adventures. One day, while exploring a new path, they stumbled upon a dazzling hidden grove, where Gigi was busy trying to climb a towering ancient oak tree. Tommy, Lucy, and Ben watched in awe as Gigi, with her tiny yet determined hooves, made her way higher and higher. Suddenly, Gigi was stuck between 2 sturdy branches. She bleated frantically, calling for help. The children rushed to her aid without hesitation, their hearts racing with equal parts fear and excitement. Lucy, being the most thoughtful of the trio, suggested they form a human ladder. Tommy, you lift me up, and Ben, you hold Tommy steady, she instructed with confidence. With quick teamwork and the strength of their combined will, Lucy managed to reach Gigi. She whispered softly, "Don't worry, Gigi. We're here to help you." Carefully, she lifted the little goat, feeling her warm, trusting body relax in her arms. The boys lowered them back to solid ground, where Gigi pranced around in joyful relief, nuzzling each of her brave rescuers. After that day, Gigi became an honorary member of their playtime gang. The friends would spend countless afternoons adventuring through the grove, building stories and memories that spanned beyond the golden hue of the summer. Gigi, the once solitary explorer, learned the joy of friendship, and the children discovered the magic of compassion and courage. As the sun set each day, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, laughter echoed across the hills, celebrating the bond between a baby goat and her beloved human companions. In the end, the adventures of Gigi and the kids became the heartwarming tales that kept the village spirited, generation after generation.